Hi, I'm Aya Bark, a value stream architect at Planview. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to be demonstrating a solution built with Planview Hub, integrating Planview AgilePlace with ServiceNow. Planview Hub addresses the goals of an organization by maximizing the productivity of teams by automating the flow of work across tools and between IT practitioners, eliminating duplicate data entry, human error, and administrative overhead. This empowers organizations to flow faster value and solutions to their customers, improving the speed, velocity, and quality of deliveries. Planview AgilePlace enables organizations and teams to use enterprise Kanban boards to visually track and manage the flow of work from strategy to delivery. ServiceNow is a cloud-based service management platform offering a single solution to unite all business functions across customer service, HR, security, finance, and marketing. As part of Planview's value stream management solutions, Planview Hub enables people and organizations to have the right information when they need it in the tools they use. Hub is an intuitive, no-code application enabling administrators to quickly and easily implement sophisticated integration scenarios at a scale, thus restoring thousands of productivity hours per year for organizations. In this demo, we'll see Planview Hub reliably and seamlessly perform bidirectional synchronization between Planview AgilePlace and ServiceNow, eliminating friction and delays and normalizing the data as it flows through a model. Hub will automate artifact creation in your tools while automating traceability by inserting back references and links to twinned artifacts. To finish the demo, we'll take a quick look at the intuitive admin user interface where all integrations are set up and administered. One of the most common challenges Planview Hub addresses is to enable a seamless flow of work between support groups and product teams. In this particular situation, we have a support group utilizing ServiceNow to manage tickets with their customers. In this effort, the support engineer creates two problems in ServiceNow, one classified as an enhancement and the other as a defect. Planview Hub flows the problems into AgilePlace as feature and defect cards. As Planview Hub synchronizes these items back and forth between tools, you will see updates such as progress, priority, and comments flow between ServiceNow and Planview AgilePlace. So let's see the solution in action. Starting in ServiceNow, our support engineer identifies a new ticket classified as a defect in the mobile banking app. Recognizing that it requires attention from the Agile team for resolution, she forwards it to the Agile team at AgilePlace, toggling sync to true. Then she creates a new enhancement ticket requesting improvements for the mobile banking app. She adds a description, sets the priority to moderate, toggles sync to true, and then hits submit. Now, Planview Hub then automatically flows these two problems into AgilePlace, creating corresponding cards. The support engineer actually knows that the synchronization has taken place since she can see that the AgilePlace references and links have flowed back in this field. So if she had the appropriate rights in AgilePlace, she could actually access this information by clicking on those links. Now switching over to AgilePlace, we can see the enhancement appearing as a feature card and the defect as a defect card. And if I open one of the cards, again, I can see the ServiceNow ID and URL displayed, and this is how Planview Hub automates traceability. It's by inserting those backlinks. Now the Agile team starts working on these items, with Team Alpha handling the feature card and Team Beta taking on the defect card. As the defect is of higher priority, Team Beta starts working on it right away, assigning it to a team member, and then adding a comment requesting a snapshot of the error. Again, Planview Hub flows all these updates, the development status, assignee, and comment back to ServiceNow. So if we go back to ServiceNow, the support engineer is now aware of the progress of this defect and knows who has been assigned to fix it. She then sees this comment from the Agile team. So she goes to one of the linked incidents to communicate with the customer. She sends them a public note asking the customer to send a screenshot of the error message. And then once received, she uploads it to the defect. And then she adds an internal note asking the Agile team if it's possible for them to share the planned fixation date so she can set the customer's expectation on when this defect will be fixed. Returning to AgilePlace, the Agile team now has all the information they need to fix the defect. So they have the attachment, they can see the comment, and now they are able to forecast the planned start date and end date. So they insert this info and then start immediately working on fixing the bug. All updates flow back and forth between the two teams, keeping them aligned, and more importantly, enabling the support team to effectively manage relationships with customers. As you can see, the Planview Hub solution enables powerful integration capabilities, helping you remove friction, remove overhead, and improve visibility. Support and Agile teams across these tools collaborated with each other seamlessly, never having to leave their tool of choice, never having to copy and paste information, and never having to exchange over email. This integration was brought to life through Planview Hub's clear and intuitive administration UI, one place from which to rule all your integrations. You can configure precisely what fields and projects flow and how they flow with maximum reuse thanks to our model-based integration framework, making this integration 4 times faster to create and 10 times easier to scale and maintain versus other solutions in the market. After everything is built, you can easily monitor the activity of your integrations and view metrics on just how much manual effort you are saving your organization. If you like what you saw and would like to learn more, contact us for a demo or evaluation at planview.com/hub.